Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Lena's Kitchen. So nice to come in to say hello to you all. So I'm getting ready to read my scripture to you today. In the scripture today, I'm taking it from Psalms 145, verse 18. The Lord is near to all who calls on him. To all who calls on him in truth. Now, I will go over this one more time. I want you to understand. The Lord is near to all who calls on him. To all who calls on him in truth. Thank you so much. Psalms 145, verse 18. Now, I'm getting ready to make a chicken soup for you all today. Chicken noodle soup. All right. And I will be using the fettuccines. Okay. Let me stand up so I can show you what I'm going to be using.
Yeah, fettuccine noodles.
Okay. And I'm going to pour 3 bottles of water into my pot, okay? We don't use a hadron water. We use bottled water. Somebody asked, why do I use bottled water? In one of my because the water don't seem to be clean to us. I don't know.
The water.
Everybody if you want to use top water, fine. But we don't use it.
No, we definitely don't use this water here.
So I'm using 3 bottles of water. Okay. Of course, my Dr. Pepper doesn't go. So now, I'm going to be putting in my ingredients. Okay, so I'm just using it according to what I think I may have to have. My black pepper. I'll come closer. Okay, and I'll put the chicken in also.
That's 2 cups of chicken.
This is chicken thighs today that we're using. They've already been washed and cleaned, so. Okay. All right, so now I put my black pepper in, and I'll be using my chicken beyond powder. All right. I'm going to use about a tablespoon. All right, this is a full tablespoon I'll be using on that. And this is my onion powder, which I always use about 1/3 of a cup of all of this always. Okay. My garlic powder, 1/3 of a cup also. You can use more if you like, but like I said, everybody use whatever you would like to use yourself. Okay. Now I'll be putting in my carrots and onions, which have already been cut up.
And celery.
And cleaned.
And celery. And celery.
And celery, okay. My carrots, celery, and onions. And I think we use about 3 small carrots. Okay. Okay. So now, I'm going to put these on and let them start. Let me stir it up just a little bit. And I'm going to put this on and let this start cooking for about 20 minutes or so. 20 or 25 minutes. About 20 minutes, I imagine. Then I'll be back shortly to show you in there after I get this started.
All right, thank you. We'll be back.
I'm getting ready now to put the fettuccine in there, so I'll be putting it all in, so, and then it stand up till it gets down to its own point, so. Okay, so Just put it in right like this and let it cook its own self down. Okay, that's it right now. So all this has to cook itself down.
And we'll be back in a little bit, y'all.
All right, thank you so much. I'm at the finishing touches of my chicken noodle soup. And this, all right, this is very delicious, and I'm going to do a taste test for you guys so you can see me do it. So, okay. It is so good. I need a spoon. It is so good. And I hope you all will try this. I have my meat in it also. So, you all see the meat in it. Good. I did it with chicken thighs. And I had a little cornbread left, so I would like my soup with cornbread. So that's what I had left with it. So
Yeah, y'all, when y'all make this soup, put half the box of fettuccine in there. She put the whole box. Put half a box of fettuccine, and she also added a third cup of fourth cup, I think is a small cup of complete also. But the recipe would be down in the description below.
Okay, thank you all so much. And it was truly delicious, and I want you all to try. This is I'm getting ready to get cold now, so I want you to try this soup because it's very good. Very, very good. And you can have a lot of meat in it. You can put more in it or less in it. And no meat at all if you don't want any.
Oh yeah, she also added chicken broth because she was trying not to put so much sodium. I know chicken broth has a lot of sodium, but she added the bouillon seasoning, and she only put 1 tablespoon. So that's why she added the complete later on as it was cooking because.
So then I add the light sodium chicken broth in it also.
Yes. All right.
So, okay, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you all will try this soup because it's really ready. The winter time is coming and the fall is coming. So it's really time to have something good and hot. Thank you so much. With all my love for Miss Lena's Kitchen, her chicken noodle soup for the fall. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, y'all, it was so good. I already ate a big old bowl of it. So anyway, y'all have a blessed day. And the members, thank you so much to our membership. The people that's members that had the membership. We appreciate you so much. We appreciate everyone viewing. Thank you.